Oppo Find X was officially released in the Louvre in Paris. The long-awaited Oppo Find flagship finally unveiled. Taking a look at the Oppo Find X body, the front and back are all simple and concise designs, allowing the Oppo Find X to be both sci-fi-like and easy to comprehend. Among the many flagship mobile phones in 2018, the eye-catching level of Oppo Find X is beyond doubt. The distribution of cameras and sensors that should appear on the top of the traditional forehead is totally hidden on the Oppo Find X, leaving almost the screen display space. Compared with the Android flagship of the same level, the Oppo Find X Ultra High Screen Ratio plus curved screen design, so that the value of color and recognition are unique standards. The Lamborghini version also supports Super Group flash charging with a maximum charging power of up to 50 watts.
We won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose